Hello! So today we are looking at our baby waist stool, multifunction baby waist stool. And this is by Boobezeen. So they did send this to me to give a review and try it out and let people know what I think. So I'm going to show you a few of the functions here. So I've got it kind of disassembled here. We've got two parts so far. And just for today, Baby Kong is going to, Diddy Kong, I think, is going to be my baby. So we'll show you here. So first thing is when the baby gets older, you can just have like the waist strap here, and it can actually function as just kind of like a boost. So I am a big guy, and you can see it's a little, I'm at about the max there for going around me, but it fits good. It is snug. There is plenty of room on the catch here. You can tighten it up. So if you want it on the side there, and as they get older, you can use the waist there. So obviously you need to hold the baby at all times, but it holds it up. That's what this is for. One of the things that I love about this is this little stool. It's more than just a waistband, it's a stool. It's super awesome, super comfy, and super convenient. So it takes away some of the weight, so you're not getting a full arm workout while you're carrying your baby. So that's the first, when it gets a little older. So then you can just kind of twist it around to the front here, and we're gonna get the rest of it. So this is the rest of the multifunction waist stool. So I'm just unbuckling everything here. So the first thing we would do is we're going to take this little zipper here, and it's going to attach to my waist stool. So we're gonna get it here and just zip it, and then it's got snaps as well. So, and you can do this when it's off of you. I just have it on me to kind of demonstrate here. But, so and then there's the snaps. So we're just gonna snap here and snap there. If I can find it without looking. There we go. So now this is on. It is secure. Easy to use, easy to get on. So next thing, so we're gonna do a baby carrier here where they're up against your chest, okay? So the next thing you would do is you take the arm straps here, and you're just putting them through your arms. So kind of like a backpack, but your back's gonna be open here. So you do have straps here, that's what's gonna keep on the back tension. So you get that, and then you just got a pull and release there, so just pull it tight. So now it's snug. So it's not gonna come off in any way. It is on there for good, and it's comfy. No issues, super snug, easy to carry, easy to go. So the next thing, we'll look in the side here. So we've got a couple of clasp here on the side. So we're gonna do 1 and 1 there, and then 1 and 1 here. So now we've got the kind of the clasp in the middle there, and we are ready to go. For a newborn, there are some tighter clasp here, so it's just like a button. You go there to the side, and here to the side. So I'm gonna get your camera and get you a little closer just for a minute. So you see the buttons there? There you go. So if it's a newborn, that's what we would do. Donkey Kong is not a newborn, so we're gonna leave those undone for now. But I've got these snatched in place. You can do this later as well. It does not have to be right now, before you put the baby in. With Donkey, he's a little hard, so I got the straps in there. But so you grab your baby gently and with love, go through the sides here, and you're just gonna stick their feet in so they're gonna straddle. And then their arms would go under here. Hopefully their arms are not stuck up like Donkey Kong is there. But so we got it there. Now, you are safe and secure. Pull them down a little bit. You know, you can go along, do your day-to-day stuff. Clean house, walk, shop, groceries, whatever you like. It is there, and it's secure. So another way, we're just gonna pretend that Donkey is facing me, but with his nose, it makes it a little hard to get there. But for have him facing you and leaning against you sleeping, you have this little part here, just has kind of like a little contour, super soft mesh here, breathable. But this would go on the back of their head, and it connects up top here. And here's another one. And then you just pull them tight there. So then it would be the baby up against you. This would be the back of their head. And you go along your business. Super comfortable, super easy. Donkey likes it. Let me know if you have any questions on it. And if you like this sort of stuff, please leave a like, subscribe. I do a few different videos here and there. New products, some old products, just a little bit of everything. Getting back to this though, it does have a manual with some instructions there, baby carrier, all that good stuff. It is a very convenient and very fun to use. Love it. I think Donkey loves it. And yeah, all right now.